Hey there, life can be tough sometimes. It can throw all sorts of challenges and obstacles your way, leaving you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and like everything is just too much to handle. But here's the thing, you have the power to choose how you react to those challenges. You can let them bring you down, or you can learn to act as if nothing bothers you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Act as if nothing bothers me? That's easier said than done, and you're right, it's not always easy. But with practice and dedication, it's a skill that anyone can master. And trust me, it's a skill that will serve you well in all areas of your life. So where do we start? Well, the first step is to understand that your thoughts and emotions are within your control. No one else can make you feel a certain way, it's all up to you. When something challenging happens, take a step back and observe your thoughts. Are you telling yourself that this is the worst thing ever? That you can't handle it? That it's going to ruin everything? If so, it's time to change that inner dialogue. Instead of focusing on the negative, try to find the positive in the situation. Look for the lesson or the opportunity for growth. Remind yourself that you've overcome challenges before, and you can do it again. And most importantly, don't give the situation more power than it deserves. It's just a temporary setback. It doesn't define you or your worth. Another key to acting as if nothing bothers you is to develop a strong sense of self. When you know who you are and what you stand for, it's easier to let things roll off your back. You're not as easily swayed by the opinions or actions of others because you have a solid foundation of self-confidence and self-respect. So how do you build that self-confidence? Start by setting small goals for yourself and achieving them. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and your abilities. And practice self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional health so you have the energy and resilience to tackle whatever comes your way. Another important aspect of acting as if nothing bothers you is to focus on the present moment. When we get caught up in worrying about the future or dwelling on the past, we miss out on the beauty and opportunity of the present. We can't change what's already happened, and we can't control what's going to happen in the future. All we have is this moment, right here and now. So take a deep breath and bring your attention to the present. What can you do right now to move forward and make progress? What small action can you take to improve your situation? Focus on that and let go of the rest. Of course, acting as if nothing bothers you doesn't mean that you never feel emotions or that you ignore your problems. It's important to acknowledge and process your feelings in a healthy way. But it does mean that you don't let those emotions control you or dictate your actions. You can feel the fear, the anger, the sadness, but you don't have to let them consume you. One way to do this is to practice mindfulness and meditation. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. Notice your thoughts and feelings as they arise, but don't judge them or get caught up in them. Just observe them and let them pass. With practice, you'll start to develop a greater sense of calm and clarity, even in the face of challenges. Another important aspect of acting as if nothing bothers you is to cultivate a sense of gratitude. When we focus on the things we're grateful for, it's harder to get bogged down by the things that are stressing us out. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you're thankful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee or a coffee, or a kind word from a friend. And speaking of friends, surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people is crucial when it comes to acting as if nothing bothers you. We all need a little help and encouragement sometimes, and having a strong support system can make all the difference. Seek out people who lift you up and inspire you to be your best self. Avoid those who bring you down or constantly focus on the negative. But even with a strong support system, there will be times when you have to face challenges alone. And that's okay. In fact, it's an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. When you're feeling overwhelmed or like you can't handle something, take a step back and remind yourself of how far you've come. Think about all the obstacles you've overcome in the past and all the strengths and skills you've developed along the way. And if you're still feeling stuck, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's from a friend, a family member, a therapist, or a coach, there are always people who are willing and able to support you. Sometimes just talking through a problem with someone else can give you a new perspective and help you find a solution. Another key to acting as if nothing bothers you is to focus on the things you can control and let go of the things you can't. There will always be circumstances and people that are outside of your control: the weather, traffic, other people's actions and opinions. But you can control your own thoughts, emotions, and actions. You can choose how you respond to the challenges life throws your way. So when something stressful or frustrating happens, take a moment to ask yourself, is this something I can control? If not, let it go. Focus your energy on the things you can change and trust that everything else will work out as it's meant to. And finally, remember that acting as if nothing bothers you is a practice. It's not something you're perfect overnight. There will be days when you fall back into old patterns of thinking or reacting. There will be times when you feel like giving up. But don't let those setbacks discourage you. Every moment is a new opportunity to start again, to choose a different response, to keep moving forward. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing. Surround yourself with positivity and support. Focus on the present moment and the things you can control. And most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to handle whatever life throws your way. Because here's the truth: you are stronger than you know. You have within you all the courage, resilience, and wisdom you need to face any challenge that comes your way. You have the power to choose your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. You have the power to create the life you want to live. So start today. Start small if you need to. But start somewhere. Choose one thing you can do differently, one way you can shift your perspective, and build from there. Day by day, moment by moment, choice by choice. Before you know it, you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. You'll see how much you've grown and how much stronger you've become. And you'll know that no matter what challenges come your way, you have the power to act as if nothing bothers you, because nothing can truly shake you when you have a strong foundation of self-confidence, resilience, and inner peace. And as you continue on this journey of acting as if nothing bothers you, remember that it's not about being perfect or never feeling stressed or upset. It's about developing the tools and the mindset to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. It's about learning to trust yourself and your ability to handle whatever comes your way. One of the most powerful tools you can develop is a sense of perspective. When something stressful or frustrating happens, it can be easy to get caught up in the drama of the moment and feel like it's the end of the world. But take a step back and ask yourself, will this matter in a year? In 5 years? In 10 years? Most of the time the answer is no. So don't let the small stuff get you down. Don't waste your energy on things that don't really matter in the grand scheme of things. Instead, focus on the things that truly bring you joy and fulfillment. Focus on your relationships, your passions, your personal growth. Those are the things that will still matter years from now. Another important aspect of acting as if nothing bothers you is to develop a growth mindset. Instead of seeing challenges as obstacles or failures, see them as opportunities for learning and growth. Embrace the discomfort that comes with trying something new or stepping outside your comfort zone. Know that every mistake or setback is just a chance to learn and improve. And speaking of mistakes, don't be afraid to make them. No one is perfect and everyone messes up sometimes. The key is to not let those mistakes define you or hold you back. Instead, use them as a chance to reflect, to learn, and to do better next time. In fact, some of the greatest successes and innovations in history have come from people who were willing to take risks and make mistakes. They didn't let the fear of failure hold them back. They used it as motivation to keep pushing forward. So embrace your own failures and see them as stepping stones on the path to success. Another key to acting as if nothing bothers you is to cultivate a sense of humor. Laughter is one of the most powerful tools we have for reducing stress and boosting our mood. When something frustrating or embarrassing happens, try to find the humor in it. Laugh at yourself And don't take things too seriously. And when things get really tough, remember that laughter can be a form of resilience. It can help us find light in the darkness and hope in the midst of despair. So don't be afraid to crack a joke or find the absurdity in a difficult situation. It might just be the thing that helps you get through it. Of course, acting as if nothing bothers you doesn't mean that you never take things seriously or that you ignore important issues. It's important to find a balance between letting things go and standing up for what you believe in. There will be times when you need to speak out against injustice or fight for what's right. And that's okay, in fact, it's necessary. But even in those moments, you can still approach the situation with a sense of calm and clarity. You can still choose your thoughts and actions carefully, rather than reacting impulsively or letting your emotions get the best of you. You can still find ways to take care of yourself and maintain your inner peace, even in the face of adversity. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Building a strong support system is crucial when it comes to acting as if nothing bothers you. Surround yourself with people who understand and support your goals, who can offer guidance and encouragement when you need it most. This might mean joining a group or community of like-minded individuals who share your values and interests. It might mean seeking out mentors or coaches who can help you develop new skills and perspectives. Or it might simply mean cultivating deeper, more meaningful relationships with the people already in your life. Whatever form it takes, having a strong support system can make all the difference when it comes to navigating life's challenges with grace and resilience. It can provide a source of comfort, inspiration, and accountability, helping you stay focused on your goals and true to yourself. So don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help when you need it. Don't be afraid to let people in and share your struggles and your triumphs, because we all need each other, we all need connection and community to thrive. And as you build those connections and support systems, remember to also give back and be there for others. One of the most powerful ways to act as if nothing bothers you is to focus on serving and supporting those around you. When you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, try shifting your focus to how you can help someone else. It might be as simple as offering a listening ear or a kind word, or it might be a more significant act of service. But whatever form it takes, serving others can help put your own challenges in perspective and remind you of what really matters. It can give you a sense of purpose and meaning and help you feel more connected to the world around you. And as you continue to practice acting as if nothing bothers you, remember that it's a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, successes and setbacks, but every step along the way is an opportunity for growth and learning. So embrace the journey. Embrace the challenges and the triumphs, the mistakes and the lessons. And most importantly, embrace yourself, your unique strengths, your resilience, your boundless potential. Because here's the truth, you are capable of extraordinary things. You have within you the power to transform your life and the world around you. All you need is the courage to take that first step, to keep moving forward even when things get tough. So start today. Start small if you need to, but start somewhere. And trust that every choice you make, every action you take, is shaping the person you are becoming and the life you are creating. And as you go through your day, remember to take moments to pause and breathe, to check in with yourself and see how you're feeling, to give yourself permission to rest and recharge when you need it. Because taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's necessary. It's the foundation upon which all else is built. When you're running on empty, it's hard to show up fully for yourself and others. But when you're taking care of your own needs and nurturing your own well-being, you have so much more to give. So make self-care a priority. Make time for the things that bring you joy and peace, whether that's a warm bath, a good book, a walk in nature, or a heart-to-heart with a friend. And don't be afraid to say no to the things that don't serve you or align with your values. Remember, you are the author of your own story. You get to choose what you focus on, how you spend your time and energy, and who you surround yourself with. So choose wisely. Choose the things that light you up and make you feel alive. And when things get tough, when you're feeling overwhelmed or like you can't handle it all, come back to your breath. Come back to the present moment. Come back to the truth of who you are, a strong, capable, resilient being with the power to overcome any obstacle. Because that's the essence of acting as if nothing bothers you. It's not about denying your feelings or pretending everything is perfect. It's about developing the inner strength and the tools to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. It's about learning to trust yourself and your ability to handle whatever comes your way. And the more you practice, the more natural it will become. The more you'll start to see challenges as opportunities, mistakes as lessons, and setbacks as temporary. The more you'll start to approach life with a sense of curiosity and wonder rather than fear and resistance. So keep practicing. Keep showing up for yourself and others. Keep choosing love and growth and joy, even in the face of adversity. And trust that every step you take is leading you closer to the life you want to live, a life of purpose, passion, and unshakable inner peace. A life where nothing can truly bother you because you know that you have the power to handle anything that comes your way. So go out there and live boldly. Live fully. Live in alignment with your deepest values and truths. And know that you are never alone on this journey, that there is a whole community of people cheering you on and supporting you every step of the way. Keep shining your light, my friend. The world needs you and your unique gifts. And remember, you've got this. You have everything you need within you to create the life of your dreams. Just keep practicing, keep believing, and keep showing up as the best version of yourself. And one day you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. You'll see how much you've grown and how much stronger you've become. And you'll know that no matter what life throws your way, you have the power to act as if nothing bothers you, because you've developed the inner strength and resilience to handle anything. So here's to the journey ahead, to the challenges and the triumphs, the mistakes and the lessons, the joys and the sorrows. Here's to embracing it all with an open heart and a curious mind. Here's to living a life of purpose, passion, and unshakable inner peace. And most importantly, here's to you, the brave, beautiful, boundless being that you are. Keep shining, keep growing, keep showing up as the best version of yourself. The world is waiting for you.